Men, I want you to think about that bottle of olive oil sitting somewhere in your kitchen. You probably reach for it when you're cooking, preparing a salad, or adding flavor to a meal. But what if that same oil could become part of a simple nighttime self-care routine that has nothing to do with eating it? I know applying olive oil to your body before bed may sound unusual, but stay with me because olive oil has been used on the skin for generations throughout Mediterranean cultures, particularly for massage, moisturizing, and soothing dry or irritated skin. I'm Dr. Leah, and today I'm going to show you several areas of the body where olive oil can be incorporated into a relaxing nighttime massage, especially for men who spend long hours sitting, experience muscular tension, or simply want to take better care of their bodies as they age. Before we continue, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more conversations about men's health, vitality, and healthy aging. Now, here's why olive oil is interesting. Extra virgin olive oil contains fatty acids and antioxidant compounds, including vitamin E and polyphenols, while its emollient properties can help soften and moisturize the skin. Combined with gentle massage, it can also make the routine more comfortable and relaxing. But the oil itself isn't magic. The real value of this nighttime practice comes from combining skincare, gentle massage, relaxation, and consistent attention to your body. And the first place we're going to begin is the lower abdomen. The first area is your lower abdomen, specifically the region between your navel and pubic bone. Most men rarely think about this area unless they're exercising, but it sits directly above important structures of the pelvis and can hold considerable muscular tension, especially if you spend much of your day sitting. Here's a simple approach. Place a small amount of extra virgin olive oil between your palms and rub your hands together to warm it slightly. Then place both hands on your lower abdomen and begin making slow, comfortable circular movements. Gradually work downward toward the area just above the pubic bone. You don't need aggressive pressure. The purpose is to create a relaxing massage, not force blood through specific arteries or manipulate internal organs. Spend approximately 3 to 5 minutes moving slowly and paying attention to how your abdominal muscles feel. Gentle abdominal massage may help you relax and become more aware of areas where you're unconsciously holding tension. Combined with olive oil, it also reduces friction and moisturizes the skin. This can be especially relaxing before bed because slow, repetitive massage encourages you to stop rushing and focus on your breathing. And that's an important theme throughout this routine. You're not trying to force your body to perform. You're creating conditions that encourage relaxation, comfort, and better self-care. The second area is the inner thighs, and this is one many men overlook. If you spend hours sitting at a desk, driving, or watching television, the muscles around your hips and upper thighs can become tight and uncomfortable. A gentle massage before bed can be a simple way to relax those tissues. Take a small amount of olive oil, warm it between your palms, and massage each inner thigh using slow, comfortable strokes. Work gradually upward from around the middle of the thigh, but stop before reaching sensitive genital tissue. Spend roughly 2 minutes on each leg and avoid pressing deeply over areas where you can feel a strong pulse. The purpose isn't to force circulation through major arteries. Instead, you're using massage to reduce friction, relax the surrounding muscles, and create a calming nighttime routine. Now we come to the third area, the pelvic floor region. This deserves extra care because the tissues here are sensitive. The pelvic floor contains muscles involved in bladder control and sexual function, and prolonged sitting can sometimes contribute to tightness or discomfort. Rather than aggressive massage, keep any external touch gentle and comfortable. If you experience persistent pelvic pain, urinary problems, numbness, or sexual difficulties, don't try to massage the problem away. Those symptoms deserve proper medical evaluation. For healthy men without symptoms, the bigger goal remains relaxation and body awareness. Slow breathing, gentle external massage, and reducing unnecessary pelvic tension can help you wind down before sleep without turning the routine into something forceful or complicated. The fourth area is your lower back, particularly the muscles around the lumbar region and just above the tailbone. You may not immediately connect this area with men's intimate health, but the lower back and pelvis work closely together. When those muscles become stiff from prolonged sitting, poor posture, or inactivity, discomfort can affect how freely and comfortably you move. Apply a small amount of olive oil to your hands and massage the lower back using slow circular movements for about 5 minutes. If reaching the area is difficult, your partner can help. Keep the pressure comfortable rather than aggressively pressing into painful areas. The fifth area is probably the most unexpected, the soles of your feet. Before bed, massage a small amount of olive oil into each foot, concentrating on the arches, heels, and other areas that feel tense. Spend about 3 minutes on each foot using your thumbs to apply comfortable pressure. The original routine connects foot massage with reproductive organs through reflexology, but that specific connection isn't established scientifically. What foot massage can certainly provide is relaxation after a long day. And relaxation matters. A slow nighttime massage can help you transition away from the day's stress and prepare mentally for sleep. Better sleep, regular movement, and stress management all contribute to overall health. At this point, we've covered the 5 main areas. But the original routine goes one step further by combining olive oil with other oils, and that's where safety becomes especially important. Now let's talk about combining olive oil with other oils, because this is where many men make the mistake of assuming that if a little is good, more must be better. That's especially risky with essential oils because they're highly concentrated and can irritate the skin when used incorrectly. The original routine suggests ingredients such as rosemary, peppermint, sandalwood, black seed oil, and castor oil alongside olive oil. But don't assume that adding these oils will automatically increase testosterone, improve erections, or correct circulation problems. Those claims aren't established simply because the ingredients are natural. If you choose to experiment with an essential oil, it should be properly diluted in a carrier oil and never applied undiluted to sensitive areas. Even diluted essential oils can cause irritation or allergic reactions, so perform a patch test on a small area of skin first. For a simpler routine, you don't need additional ingredients at all. Plain extra virgin olive oil can provide enough lubrication for massage while helping moisturize dry skin. You can also keep the routine straightforward. Lower abdomen for a few minutes, inner thighs gently, lower back, and finally your feet before bed. The purpose isn't to chase dramatic overnight results. It's to create a calming routine that encourages you to slow down, pay attention to areas of tension, and prepare your body for rest. And that brings us to something equally important. What changes should you realistically expect, and how quickly? Now let's talk about results and timing, because this is where expectations matter. The original routine promises changes beginning on the first night and continuing over several months, including better sleep, stronger erections, higher testosterone, improved bladder control, and increased energy. But those specific outcomes and timelines aren't established effects of applying olive oil to the skin. What can you realistically notice? The first change may simply be relaxation. Spending several minutes massaging tense areas before bed can help you slow down after a stressful day. Your skin may also feel softer and better moisturized because olive oil acts as an emollient. After a few weeks, the greatest benefit may come from the routine you've created around the massage. If those 20 minutes replace late-night scrolling, encourage relaxation, and become part of a consistent bedtime schedule, you may find yourself winding down more effectively. But if your goal is stronger erections, higher testosterone, or improved circulation, don't rely on olive oil alone. Those areas are influenced by cardiovascular health, exercise, sleep, medications, hormone levels, smoking, alcohol intake, diabetes, and many other factors. This is why I want you to view the olive oil routine as self-care rather than treatment. Use it 3 or 4 evenings per week if you enjoy it. Keep the massage gentle, watch your skin for irritation, and combine the routine with regular physical activity, quality sleep, balanced nutrition, and appropriate medical care. Because ultimately, the habits surrounding the oil may matter far more than the oil itself.